So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Notepad. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in wscript.quit. Type it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase. Now you're going to click on File and then click on Save As. Now we're going to save it to our desktop. And where it says Save As Type, you're going to select the drop down and then make it all files. And now for the file name, we're going to call it Maintenance.Vbs. Spell it the same way how I did and then click on Save. And it's now going to appear on your desktop. And now for the second step, we're going to right click on the file and then click on Copy. Now we're going to head over to Search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. You're going to click on that one. Now we're going to click on Windows. Now we're going to scroll down till we find system32. We're going to scroll down till we find system32. Here it is. Double click on this. And then once we're here, you want to paste the file that we just copied. So you want to right click and then click on Paste. Continue. You want to paste that in. Or if you want to, you could just drag it in. And now for the next step, you want to head over to Search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc/scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. And then once the scan's been fully completed on 100%, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.